Alright, I want to talk about this washer real quick. This is a Whirlpool washing machine. This popped up on Craigslist, or actually on OfferUp, for $100. My wife texted him. We offered him $80 for it. I get to the house and the man says, "It's in perfect condition. I know how to repair these. I'm an appliance guy. This is what I do for a living." So I reached into it, and the first thing I saw was that the agitator goes both directions. That means it's broken. So what does it take to fix that broken agitator? That right there. It costs 70 cents for a pack. So 70 cents for agitator dogs to fix this agitator. And this machine, of course, touch up a little bit around the lid and clean it up. And that machine will sell for $180. Because this is a very popular washing machine. But that's a prime example of someone on Craigslist or on OfferUp who even says, "Hey, I'm a repairman. I know how to fix these." And everything works perfectly fine. And within 2 seconds of me getting there, I realized, nope, everything doesn't work fine. And all you had to do was do agitator dogs to fix it. So I'll fix it, resell it, and then I'll follow up with this video. Alright, we're going to start this machine, and I want you to listen. Okay. Now, what causes that is a brake that is frozen up in the machine. Now, this is the same person that told me that the machine worked perfectly fine and that he repaired them for a living. I want you to listen. Here we go. Okay. Alright, so that's a locked up brake drum. This was sold on OfferUp, I believe it was. And we're going to fix it right now. We'll come back to this. Alright, we're back about 15 seconds later. I want you to listen to it now. Okay, get ready. We're going to go ahead and stop it. Hear the difference? Alright, read below this video, and I want you to see what it was that we did to fix it.